Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn English through a story. This is level 1. The English is easy and slow. Please listen carefully and you can repeat after me. Let's begin. There is a small river near a village. The river is not big. The water is clean and clear. Many trees grow near the river. The leaves are green and the air is fresh. People in the village like this river. They come here to relax. They feel calm and peaceful when they are near the water. Every morning, a man walks to the river. He walks slowly and enjoys the cool morning air. He likes this quiet place. When he arrives, he sits on a rock near the water. He listens to the sound of the river. The sound is soft and calm. The river flows gently and the water moves slowly. The man takes a deep breath and feels relaxed. Birds fly over the river. They sit in the trees and sing beautiful songs. Their voices are soft and pleasant. Fish swim in the clear water. They move quietly and freely. The water stays clean and fresh. The man watches the birds. He watches the fish. He smiles and feels happy inside. The man feels calm. He feels relaxed. His mind is quiet. He forgets his problems for a moment. He enjoys the simple beauty of nature. The river, the trees, the birds, and the fresh air make him feel better. He smiles again and says softly, "This place is beautiful." Thank you for watching this video. You are doing great. Practice English every day. Listen, repeat, and learn slowly. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.